Hi friends, I'm here with the new video like how to create a subtask. In a previous video we understand how to create a task for the project. Now we need to understand how to create a multiple subtask in a subtask, just like an inception. So let's just understand with the Flectra. So this is the Flectra database. First of all, you need to go to the projects. Make sure you enable the subtask option from the settings. So we need to go to the configure, settings. You need to enable the subtask option from here. Let's just save it. You can see that the subtask option has been clicked up here. Now let's go to the projects again. When you enable the subtask option from the settings, it enables for the every project. So every project has now the subtask. So to get that, let's just go to the edit, settings. You can see that subtask option has been enabled up here. So not every project has a subtask, so you can just unclick from here and it will go on. So let's just save it. Go to the projects again. Let's go to the project. Let's create a subtask from here. You can see that everything will be showing up here. So 0 subtask. No subtask has been done. So let's just create a new subtask. You can directly create a subtask from directly here if you wanted to. If you don't want to create any subtask, you doesn't need to create it. Let's just go to the subtask again. Let's just create a new one. See architecture timesheets. Let's just say task title would be design project. This is the parent project of the subtask. So let's just save it. You can see that subtask has been added. Now the Flectra introduced a new feature. You can create a subtask of the subtask, so you can directly create it from here. So let's just go to the senior architect on timesheets. You can see that the subtask has been created. So let's just go to the design. There has been a 0 subtask has been added into the design because we haven't added it yet. Let's just go it. Senior architect invoice. You can see that one subtask has been created. You can check it directly from here. We just created design. If you want to create a new subtask again, you can create directly from here only. Let's just go to the subtask. You can see that you can write it down everything from here on. You can write it down sales order. You can write it down the description of the subtask. You can create a timesheet of the subtask. You can add something if you wanted to add. So add line. You can write the description. You can write the duration as well. It doesn't need to create it right now. So record this. Okay. Let's just go to the project. You can get your own view if you wanted to, just like in a bar chart or in a grid view. You can get it in any of the views with the Flectra. So Flectra introduced these kind of features in the projects. So that is all I have for today. Thank you very much.